You know, I'm a very busy person to be very efficient, and I have webinars now every couple of weeks. And I was thinking that maybe you can help me with your magic, you know. Maybe there is a possibility to clone an existing website or duplicate it, not to start from scratch.
What platform you're using to create your landing page or website?
My platform is WordPress.
It's nothing. I'll give you one solution and you will have it done.
Thank you very much. I'm so appreciating. Oh, I'm so
Yeah.
happy to. Oh, I'm like a butterfly, la, all over the place.
This is Imran, a tech wizard. I'm going to showcase the journey of a relationship coach, how she is taking her business online and what are the struggles she is having and how she is overcoming those. Hope you guys will enjoy the process and have some fun. Also, in the meantime, you'll learn some great techniques how to take your coaching business online. So stay tuned and keep watching.
Hello, Imran. How are you today?
I'm good. I'm good. Good to see you. Lovely pendant.
Oh, thank you, thank you. Black diamonds, you know, special for the ladies. Yeah. You know that they say the black color is like absorbing the bad energies. I hope it will absorb all the bad energies around me and give me only good energy.
Okay.
Transform it, you know, transmute the energy. Yes.
Okay. Are you having some energetic attack lately or what?
Yes, yes. Sometimes some weird dreams, and yes, sometimes I just feel that someone is kind of energetically thinking of me. Let's put it in a nice way. Yes.
Sensitive lady. It
Yes,
happens.
I am. Of course. That's why I'm a healer. I'm sensitive.
Okay. Also pretty. So,
Yeah, thank you. Of course. I'm like a black diamond. Very rare.
okay, I appreciate. So, thank you. So, now, how is everything in business?
Yeah, I'm very busy. You know, I'm a very busy person and I want to be very efficient. And I have webinars now every couple of weeks. The problem is I don't have time. It's like, you know, sometimes I get downloads and I have new ideas and I don't have physical the time to start to make a website from
Mhm.
scratches. And I was thinking that maybe you can help me with your magic, you know. Maybe there is a possibility to clone an existing website or duplicate it or at least use some features, not to start from scratches, you know.
Mhm.
Because since I got these downloads, I still have two ideas maybe ongoing. And it's quite
Mhm.
difficult for me to put so much work. I don't have this physical time anymore. And I would appreciate very, very much if you can give me some magic hints. Imran magic I need.
Okay, thank you. It's possible in most cases. Before I give you the direct solution, I'll ask you what is your platform? What platform you're using to create your landing page or website?
My platform is WordPress.
Okay, WordPress. There is nothing. There's nothing. I'll give you one solution and you'll have it done. You can do it even now on your computer. You can just do it. You know what you need to do? You need to log into your WordPress dashboard. You need to go to plugin, add new plugin, go to the search bar, just type duplicate page. And in the very first result, you just need to install and activate. And then you will go to your page section and you can see that option like, okay, just mouse over that page and you'll see a clone or duplicate. Just click the duplicate and it will be duplicate in just second. Easy.
Really? And you mean that the complete page is duplicate, is like everything format and there is no error in it or there is no modification? It's like all the same?
Exactly. It will be all same. Only the URL will be different. So you just need to go and change the URL, change the page name, change the webinar name, change the photo, change the video, add some new testimonial from the previous webinar. So amazing.
Wow, wow, great idea. Initially, I was thinking only for the page, but I have also a webinar page. So that's an amazing idea. I can
Yeah.
do 2, 3 webinar pages because normally what I did, because I didn't know, I was like always modifying the same page of webinar, even if I had different topics. And I had a lot of folders with what I have to write there because I can forget, you know, and it
Mhm.
was terrible and difficult. Oh, you saved my life. Oh, thank you very much. I'm so appreciating. Oh, I'm so
Yeah.
happy to. Oh, I'm like a butterfly. La, la, all over the place. Oh, thank you, sweetheart.
Oh, okay, thank you. And nice. And I'm happy that you got things done. Yes, it's so easy and so amazing. It will enhance your efficiency and it will save lots of your time. And one thing many people make that mistake, I'll say, they override on the existing URL or existing page for the different webinar. Let's say you have a webinar on burnout. Next week, you want to go efficiency. And then another week, you can go for perfect relationship or perfect partner. So what it happened? Let's say your previous webinar person who registered for the page, and they can check on the new webinar page and they'll see the old content because of the browser caching and different caching thing. So what it's the best approach is to create something new because URL doesn't get bring those cache things. So if you do that, clone that page, so you will have a very fresh content and people will visit a new URL, so there will be no cache and your audience will see the new and fresh content about your upcoming webinar. So it's really amazing and everybody should follow this.
Very nice, very nice. Thank you for the advice. Very precious. Today I'm very happy. It's like,
Yeah.
I can make a motto. If you have the magic of Imran with you, you are invincible in the business. Mm.
Oh, thank you. It's such a big word, but I'll take it as compliment.
Yes, it is. And it's reality. It's like you help me and also help our audience because I'm pretty sure many people have domains on WordPress and maybe they're like me, a bit blonde. They don't know, they don't have the time. And then just simple clicks. Like information is the key. When you get the information, magic
Yeah,
happen.
exactly. We are all magicians. We just need to know what to click and how to click.
Exactly. Click, Imran. I click on you. Thank you.
Okay, you are welcome. Have an awesome day. And if you have any question, let me know. And if you have any issue having that installing and how to do that duplicate, let me know. I'll send you a loom.
Oh, look, the lollipop. Oh,
Thanks.
yes. I like sweets, That's my weak point. You always do this to me. Oh, you're such a bad boy.
Okay, thank you and see you on the next call.
Bye.
Thanks for watching the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. And if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe. And if you love to share your experience and share your opinion and how you feel it, please comment below. And if you feel like some of your friends may get benefit from this video, feel free to tag. And yeah, keep in touch and we'll bring so much good content like this. And have an awesome day. Bye.